You want to make more money with email marketing? Just follow this simple weekly rule and you will generate more sales because you are going to drive people's attention to your brand because you're going to lock in why your product is going to change their life. Simple, day one, lock in their attention. The first email you send in a week is to lock in their attention about a subject you're going to cover. That subject is dependent on your brand. I can't tell you what that's going to be, but let's say it was creatine. The first email I'm going to send is going to be something like, did you realize that creatine is better for your cognitive function, your brain, than your muscles? Okay, I've locked in their attention. Day three, I'm going to load in some detail. So on day three, using the creatine as an example, I'm going to talk to them in depth about how creatine has proven scientifically helping people improve their brain power as opposed to their muscles. So they're getting some new information they probably haven't heard before. So I'm loading in some details. Now I'm priming them to really want creatine, as an example. And day five, I'm going to send them an offer. Because now I've lined them up for the offer, the likelihood of them purchasing is way higher. Follow this 3-step rule straight out of my book that's on Amazon, and you will generate more sales.